here we have two Apple Pencils Pro. One is fake, one is real. Because it's a side-by-side comparison, you can see the difference between the box. The real one's on the bottom, the fake one's on top. It has a different color and material, but that is hard to tell. Even as an experienced person, I find it really hard. The actual word pencil Pro is actually different as well. Not on the box, but actually on the actual unit. So that's basically for the front. If we go to the side, the word Pencil Pro is actually different. The fake one has a more blurry text, but once again, because I'm showing you both, it's hard for you to actually differentiate if it's actually in front of your face. I guess the biggest telltale signs are actually at the back. Overall is what we can see is the sticker. Generally, on the fake ones, they aren't straight. You have to remember these pump out from machine, and therefore it's always straight and always neat. So if you find it crooked or something weird with it, it's probably fake. It happens a lot with the fake iPhones I've seen and the fake iPads. But overall is that. The text layout is different. If you can see here, compare these two and here. In the old box, they did have on the bottom. So once again, that's hard for you to tell. The text isn't incorrect or wrong. So they both have the text the same. The difference is the stickers. The stickers have the correct text, but if you look at the stickers, the genuine one, all three stickers are the same material and the same color, while the fake one doesn't have the same material or the same color. But that's basically it. And also, for some odd reason, for all the fake ones, I generally find the fake ones have a pull tab. The genuine ones never have the pull tab, and so if you copy a genuine, how come you have a pull tab? This also happens with the iPhone and iPad as well. I've seen it before. You also have to remember they actually do sell stickers, so even if you buy something sealed in a box, it doesn't necessarily mean it's genuine. So besides opening it up, it's really hard to tell, so I recommend you to open it up. So let's open both fake ones and real ones. The reason why you don't need a pull tab is when you open it up, this becomes the pull tab, allowing you to pull it out. As you see, there is a difference in the text and color and text, but that's really difficult for you to tell. Because I can see it front to front, I can see it. The fake one generally doesn't have the wrapping on it. So here's the fake, as we can see. No, this is actually real. So this is fake. Yep, that's right. So here, this is the fake, and the fake actually doesn't have the wrapping. This is a normal thing. I've seen this a lot. Or if it has the wrapping isn't straight. And here is the text. Like I told you before, the text on the real one and the fake one look different in the color. So here's the real one, as still has the wrapping. The best way to tell if you don't have an iPad is the tip. If you remove the tips look slightly different. Even the color looks the same. It's honestly, it's really hard for you to tell. So the fake one, it's shiny and has no holes in it. But the real one, it's more of a matte finish. And it actually has 2 holes on it, on each side. So 2 holes on the front side, and if you rotate it 180, there's 2 holes on the other side. But overall, that is the gist of it. I can't tell the tips don't really matter. But so now if we get the iPad out and we check it out. So here we have an iPad. Let me prepare my iPad. If we connect the fake pencil, come on. Actually generally says Pencil Pro is connected. This is probably a dud pencil. I can get another pencil. That's fake. So here you go. when you connect the fake pencil, it actually does say Pencil Pro, which is really confusing. But when you set it up, the difference between the fake one, the real one has, the new Pencil Pro has the squeeze function. So the fake one, when you squeeze it, doesn't vibrate. And also, it's supposed to, the Pencil Pro has the tilt function, the rotate. So if we go to this pencil, if you can see it, you can see how the line is from top left to bottom right, the line. With the Pencil Pro, if you rotate the pencil, it's actually supposed to rotate the tip and how the tip works. But if it's fake, it doesn't have that function. Also, if we go into setting, and we look at Apple Pencil, come on. Apple Pencil, you don't see many functions. As if it does come with the battery, you see the battery, it doesn't charge. So the menu looks completely different compared to the Pro. So, but for you to go this far, it's a bit difficult. But mostly if the squeezing function doesn't work, then it's probably fake. Also in general, if you go to general and go to about, you should supposed to see a warranty or information or whatever about the pencil on the general screen, like how we got limited warranty here. So we'll use the real pencil. I won't remove the wrapper as it still works without it. Come on. Let's just unwrap it. Come on. Oh, I don't need to unwrap it. Come on. Why is my... Okay. The pencil's connected. If we go to Apple Pencil, you can see here, the list is longer. The fake one also can have that as well. But in the real Apple Pencil, it actually charges. If you look at the fake one, depending on which one, it will not charge and will not show a charge number. It will just show low battery. And if you squeeze it, you have the squeeze function. You can feel that it vibrates when you squeeze. And if we go to freeform and we use, if we look at the line here, I draw a line, and if I rotate it, you can see the line changes, because on here, we can actually rotate. This is part of the function of the Pencil Pro. If you rotate it, it rotates the tip on the iPad itself. So if we now go back into our warranty information, if we go into general, about, it should tell me here. It tells you Apple Pencil Pro on the bottom, gives you the serial number and whatever, when the fake one doesn't have it. That's basically it. Sometimes when you buy one, they give you a receipt. This is a general receipt, like I can talk about it too, but honestly, if you don't have a real receipt to compare to the fake receipt people print you out, you won't be able to tell. So that's basically it. Someone's going to complain that you shouldn't give out your serial number or whatever. For the purpose of the video, I give you the serial number to show you it's genuine and the difference between genuine and fake. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching.